Flipping domain names, like any form of investment, involves buying a product at a low price and selling it at a higher price. In the case of domain names, the goal is to buy domain names that you believe will be attractive to buyers, hold them, and then sell them for a profit. Here's how you can make money doing this. Identify profitable domains. Domain names that are short, easy to remember, and easy to spell are typically more valuable. Domain names that include keywords related to popular industries can also be valuable. Use tools like Google Trends or keyword planners to identify popular keywords. Purchase domain names. Once you've identified potential domain names, the next step is to purchase them. You can do this through a domain registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Be sure to choose a reputable registrar to ensure a smooth buying and selling process. Hold or develop the domains. Once you own a domain, you can either hold it and hope that it increases in value, or you can develop it. Developing a domain could involve setting up a basic website and generating traffic, which could potentially increase the domain's value. Sell the domains. When you're ready to sell a domain, you can either reach out to potential buyers directly or list it on a domain marketplace like Sedo, Flippa, or Afternic. Be sure to set a competitive price for your domain. If you're unsure how much to charge, consider getting a domain appraisal. Negotiate and close the sale. If a buyer is interested in your domain, they will either accept your listed price or send you a counteroffer. You can then negotiate the price and terms of the sale. Once both parties agree, the money will be transferred and the domain will be transferred to the new owner. It's important to note that while flipping domain names can be profitable, it's also risky. Not all domains will increase in value, and there's a chance that you won't be able to sell a domain for more than you bought it for. Therefore, it's important to do your research and only invest money that you can afford to lose. Finally, be aware of the ethical and legal implications of domain squatting. Buying up domain names purely to prevent others from using them or to profit from a trademark. Laws regarding domain squatting vary by country, but it's generally frowned upon and can result in legal trouble. Always respect intellectual property rights when buying and selling domain names.